to it. What is meditation? Well, meditation is the highest mental exercise, and it allows you to totally be absorbed in the present moment, total consciousness with how you're thinking and how you're feeling, what all your senses are. That is going to bring you in the total moment of the now. Meditation also allows you to bring back your attention to yourself in a world full of distractions, a world which is always trying to pull your attention to this news story, to this happening, someone doing this to you, somebody is trying to distract you. All the noise of the world, work life, home life, trying to also reach your goals. Everything that's taking you outside of yourself, meditation is the practice that allows you to actually center all of your attention back to yourself, back to the person that needs the most love and attention. And that's what I love about meditation, because it actually gives you time alone with yourself to actually be capable of being aware and checking in with yourself and checking in with, like, how are you doing today? How are you feeling today? So you check in with your body, like, okay, where am I feeling tense? Where am I in my life overthinking too much? What needs to stay and what do I need to let go? So that's what I love about meditation, is like an entire body scan that you're giving to yourself. And also is a form of self-love. So it's going to allow yourself to know yourself on the deepest level. You're going to be able to learn what triggers you. What are the things that you like about yourself? What are things about other people that you don't like, or in your day, what you're going through that had triggered you? What has happened in your past childhood trauma that you're still holding on today? What are things that you're still reactive to? What are things that you need to improve on? What are things that you're getting better on? What are your strengths? What are your weaknesses? With the observation of how you are in the present moment, you'll be able to learn so much about yourself with meditation. That's what I love about meditation, because each meditation session I have, I learn something different, because you are connected not only with yourself, you get connected with source energy. You get downloads of information from divine, from God, from the universe, things that are trying to get channeled to you. You'll be able to pick that up in meditation sessions as well, which is like so divine, which I love as well. Meditation also allows you to align your chakras. That is going to align the energy centers in your body. We have 7 major energy centers in our body, which when they are unblocked, your energy in your body will be able to flow freely. And what that means is that you'll have harmony with your body, mind, and your spirit. And that also means that what your thoughts, actions, and beliefs will also be in alignment. And it's no coincidence that meditation, this sacred mental exercise, has been around for centuries. In ancient Africa, ancient Asia, ancient India, they've all utilized this ancient mental practice because of its tremendous benefits it provides them. And until today, it's been being passed on to generation and has so much benefit. It is an exercise that all ages can use. Thank you for watching. Make sure to check out the entire episode, How to Meditate for Positivity and Clarity, which will play next. Peace and divine blessings.